In this video, I'm going to show you how to use actor mode in ElevenLabs and why it can make AI generated dialogue sound much more expressive than simply typing a script into a text to speech. First, make sure you are signed in here in ElevenLabs and then go to the text to speech. Choose the voice you want to use, then look for the actor mode or voice control options available of your selected modal. The key idea is that instead of writing a completely flat script, you can give the voice more direction about how the line should be performed. This is especially useful for dialogue, storytelling, character performances, and dramatic narration. Start with a short sentence and generate a normal version first. You can also add a speaker by clicking this Add Speaker button and then click this voice to select a different voice. So you can rewrite the same line, like I said, with the intended emotional context. For example, you can put a shout, trembling, sarcastic, or like excitement, surprise, frustration, or a quieter delivery. After that, generate both versions and compare how the performance changes. You can click this Generate Speech.
Kaylee, what was that? Do you really need to do that with Jake? Is this part of your revenge on me?
I didn't mean to do that, Matt.
Then what was that all about?
Nothing.
Is this about us?
No.
That's bullshot. Kaylee,
Okay, it's all about you. I didn't mean to hurt Jake. It should be you.
what? It's just one mistake. One mistake. Kaylee.
You can add natural punctuation like what I did, pauses, interruptions, and reactions. For example, instead of writing, I can't believe you actually did that, or like, that's a bullshot, you can structure the dialogue so the pauses can emphasis happen naturally. Now, test several takes rather than generating your entire script immediately. Listen for emotion, timing, emphasis, pronunciation, and consistency. If one line sounds unnatural, regenerate the section instead of starting the entire project again. Actor style controls become especially useful when you're creating character dialogue, audiobooks, podcasts, or short form videos, because the goal isn't simply to pronounce the words correctly, the voice needs to actually perform them. And that's it. That's how you can use actor mode in ElevenLabs to make AI voices sounds more like an actual performance instead of someone simply reading a script. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.